Hi, I'm Rob,
I'm Cass.
and welcome to our Yosemite adventure. We're currently hiking Vernal and Nevada Falls, and we're looking over Vernal Falls. So come along and join us for a hike.
Fun.
The most convenient parking area for the Mist Trail is called Happy Isles Trailhead. We wanted to beat the crowd, so we arrived at the parking lot at 6 a.m. We packed up all our gear and started off on our hiking adventure. The whole hike going to both Vernal and Nevada Falls is around 6.4 miles and about 2,200 feet in elevation gain. The hike took us around 6 hours to complete, which includes a lunch break to recharge and stopping dozens of times to take videos of Yosemite view. You start off the hike by taking a winding trail stopping at Vernal Falls first and then Nevada Falls at the top. There is around 2,200 feet of elevation gain, so I would rate this as a moderate to hard hike. Got the birthday girl here, hiking Vernal and Nevada Falls. While hiking on the first portion of the Mist Trail, about half a mile in, you can see Illilouette Falls from a distance. If you're coming to Yosemite during one of the peak times where the waterfalls are flowing and the mist is in the air, I would recommend to either bring a poncho or a waterproof jacket and waterproof pants so you don't get soaking wet. Since we started the hike early in the morning, we beat most of the massive crowds that Vernal Fall gets. We had most of the trail to ourselves as we hiked up these slippery stairs. So the mist is more like a shower. By now we were absolutely drenched, but we have to keep pushing forward. By now our quads are absolutely burning from all this uphill stairs, but we really want to make it to see Vernal Falls and look at how beautiful it is. After passing the Vernal Falls lookout, it will become less crowded as most of the people will continue up to the next incline to Nevada Falls. We took a little detour on the hiking trail. We wanted to go see this amazing view of Vernal Falls. This is one of the best views of Vernal Falls there is on the trail. We will continue over another footbridge, then hike up the tall incline portion of the trail to reach the top of NevadaFalls. With the record snowfall that Yosemite had this past winter, there was so much water on the trail, we had to cross a bunch of water crossings along the way. The amount of water from this year's snow melt is absolutely astonishing. This is part of the main trail up to Nevada Falls, and it should be dry, but there, of course, is water there, so we had to find a different boulder route. And if you aren't tired enough, there's one more incline section to go to get to the top of Nevada Falls. But once you're at the top, the view is Once you've reached the top of the incline, there's a pair of bathrooms on the left. To continue onto Nevada Falls, hike right for about 0.2 miles. So we just got up to the top of Nevada Falls. We hiked about 3 miles and did about 2,000 feet in elevation change. How was that?
Worth it. Challenging at times, but worth it.
So now we're gonna eat some lunch and then head on back down.
Bye.
I took a little detour just to see how much mist there was coming off in Nevada Falls. I absolutely got soaked. I was only there for a minute, but everything was wet. When coming down the switchbacks towards the end of the hike, you can see Yosemite Falls in the way distance. It is definitely one gorgeous view of Yosemite Falls. Got done hiking Vernal and NevadaFalls. About 8 miles, about 2,500 feet in elevation gain. How was that?
Something.
It was amazing. It was amazing. Yosemite's amazing. Until next time.
Until next time, folks.
Thank you for watching. If you want to see more weekly hiking videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.